Hi there, this is Jennifer Kenna with Aspire Home Buyer Realty, and I wanted to go over some of the guarantees that we offer in our company. It's definitely something that separates us from other realtors. A lot of realtors talk a good game, they have a really good sales presentation, but they're not willing to actually guarantee their work, which is something that really separates our company. So one thing that we always want to do is we want to make sure that our customers are happy. It's one of our number one guarantees within our business is that we want to make sure that we're doing a good service by people. We call it our second mile service. So first mile service is just taking care of the needs that are expected. So first mile is basically doing your job description. So whatever you've actually described as being what you're expected to do, and then doing the things that you were hired or expected to do. So we kind of feel like some reason in real estate, a lot of realtors stop there. So we offer something called second mile service, which is a big part of the culture in our company as well. We want to go the extra mile. We want to go ahead and make sure that the customer not only got moved in, but that there was no problems with the house, that they were happy with the house, that they have moved in. We help them with moving companies and cleaning companies, just to make sure that there's a smooth transition into the house. So it's a really big deal for us. So we focus a lot on second mile service is what we call it. We also offer 6 satisfaction guarantees. So we listened to our customers and a lot of the complaints that they had, things that they said that they were unhappy with other realtors. We want to make sure that we not only don't do those things, but we also guarantee it so that they can have a level of confidence to know that we do take their needs seriously. So the first one, it's called our communication guarantee. One of the biggest complaints that customers had is they had a hard time reaching their realtor. So after they signed a listing agreement, they just weren't really getting the same communication or level of service that they expected. So we want to guarantee to all of our customers that you will hear back from us. You will get a return phone call from a qualified team member within 24 hours. So if I happen to be sick or on vacation or out of the office, I do have a team of people that back me up. So you're not just hiring a single agent, you're actually hiring a team. Our office is run just like that. It's an office. We run it more like corporate America does versus a real estate office where it's a bunch of agents kind of doing their own thing, independent sales reps. We want to make sure that we have someone in the office, at all times. So if you have to drop off an escrow check, or you want to pick up something, or you need to scan or print something, the office is open all during office hours, and someone is always available to return your phone call. So let's say that we fail to update you weekly, or we fail to call you back. We actually give you a $500 guarantee on that, so that you just can feel safe that it's important for us that we make sure we call you back within that 24 hours so that we're able to guarantee it. We do an honest promises guarantee. So one of the biggest complaints we heard was that realtors would promise the moon and the stars. They would promise a lot of stuff to their sellers that they weren't able to come through with. So that's not how we work. We want to operate with a professional service agreement that outlines what we will do and how our services work. We put it in writing, and we guarantee at any time if we fail to honor something in our agreement, we will give you $500. So obviously the goal is not to get the $500. It's really that you want to have that level of service that you expect. We also have the reality-based selling price range. So another complaint we heard is some realtors will actually promise or try to guarantee your house will sell at a certain price or at a certain speed of sale. So we don't want to do that. Also, of course, our goal is to get you top dollar, but we don't want to promise you something that's not realistic. Just to get you to, do a bait and switch. We get you to sign a listing agreement at a higher price, and then meanwhile we start to discount it every month to get it sold. So we don't want to get you those lowball offers. So we'll guarantee for every $5,000 that we sell your home for below the agreed upon range, we'll give you $500 as well. So these are just guarantees to let you know that we're not going to do the things that other realtors sometimes do. We also have a reality-based timetable. So pretty similar to the one before, but we have a complete marketing program that we explain to all of our sellers, and it just makes it where it's very realistic, and we want to give you a time frame for when your home is actually expected to sell. And then we guarantee that if we do not sell your home within 59 days, that we will give you $100 for each week after. So it's another guarantee that we offer. So we don't want to give you something that's not realistic or give you expectations that we can't live up to. We also have an honest presentation of experience and track record. So we heard a complaint that a lot of realtors say they're more experienced than they really are. They've only sold, 2 to 3 houses that year, which is most realtors. So almost 90% of realtors only sell about 3 homes per year. So we also don't want to misrepresent ourselves and say we have a lot of experience when we don't. We personally, being a small office, we sold 100 homes last year in the Manatee County area. So we do have the experience and track record, and we're able to back it up. And if we can't, then we'll give you $5,000 to the charity of your choice. So it's really important for us to be honest and let you know, what we're able to do or what we're not able to do. We also have a qualified buyer's guarantee. So a big complaint that sellers had was that they felt the agents were showing the house to people that were not qualified. So they were not ready to buy or they were not able to buy. So we also do not do that. We have partnered with a local lender. So we want to get all of our buyers pre-qualified. It's part of our original meeting with them before we're showing them any properties, including yours. So we have a guarantee for that we will only give you qualified buyers. We'll bring offers for your home. And if your home does not, if something happens where they do not qualify, then we'll also give you $500 at closing. So we want to guarantee our work. We want to have an honest practice, a good business, so that you have a great experience and you tell 3 friends. That is how our company has grown. It's doubled in business every single year. But our focus is really on customer service and experience and making sure that everything that you're expecting you get. So that's what we call our second mile service. So please give us a call, 941-462-3321. We'd love to help you sell your home or give you a free estimate so you have an idea of what it'll sell for and in what time frame. We do also work with some cash offers, so we guarantee your home will sell or we will buy it. So if you're looking for a quick sale, hassle-free, worry-free, just give us a call and let us know that's the program you're interested in, and we'd love to tell you more about that as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.